Hey labelers! Epson LabelWorks is excited to announce a new updated version of the comprehensive PC label design software, Label Editor. One of the newest features for Label Editor is the capability to connect wirelessly with Bluetooth to the popular LW-C610PX printer. Previously, this software was only able to connect to the LW-C410PX and the LW-PX400 via Bluetooth. This update expands Bluetooth connectivity to include the LW-C610PX to that list. This is a two-part series. Here in part 1, I will show you how to download and install the latest version, version 2.3, and connect to the LW-C610PX for new Label Editor software users. If you're an existing user and would like to learn how to update with a download directly from the software, check out part 2. Before we get started, make sure your PC's operating system is either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Label Editor is not compatible with Windows 8.1, 8, 7, or earlier versions. Label Editor is also not compatible with ARM processors. This is a two-step process that will include installing both the software and the printer driver for new users. First, open your browser and go to labelworks.epson.com. Navigate to the Support tab at the top of the page and select Software, App, and Driver Downloads. Scroll down to find the Label Editor version 2.3 download link. Click to download the zip file. From your Downloads folder, open the zip file and select Extract All to save the uncompressed file to your preferred location. Open the file and select the Setup application. This will launch a series of pop-up prompts. Click the option Install Application and Driver. Follow the rest of the prompts, and a loading bar will appear as the program opens the installation wizard. Click Next. Click Next again, and then another loading bar will appear as the software is installed to your computer. Here you see the installation is complete. Click Finish, and your shortcut icon will appear on the screen. Now, step 2. Let's install the LW-C610PX printer driver. Before starting, power on your LW-C610PX using the round button at the top of the printer. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth connection is toggled on. You can check this in System Settings under Bluetooth and Devices. Now, select LW-C610 from the drop-down list and click Next. Make sure Searching and Pairing a Printer is selected, then click Next. Your printer's unique ID number will populate the box. This may take a few minutes. Note that if the box does not populate, check to make sure the printer is on and your computer's Bluetooth is also on. Then click Search again. Once your printer's ID number appears, select it and click Next. The driver will automatically install, and when it's finished, you'll see a new pop-up window with a blue check mark. This confirms that your driver install was successful. When you open the Label Editor software, the new Label menu has a drop-down in the upper right-hand corner where the LW-C610PX will appear, showing it's connected. And there you have it! That's how easy it is to install version 2.3 of Epson LabelWorks Label Editor PC software as a new user for your LW-C610PX or any other LabelWorks PX Bluetooth printer. Click around to see the versatility and efficiency Label Editor can bring to making labels for home or work using all the fonts in your computer and preloaded images and frames. Label Editor also features design layout functions for even aligning, centering, and spacing. Check out Epson LabelWorks video tutorial series for overviews and detailed instructions on how to make labels with custom images, alphanumeric sequencing, QR codes and barcodes, and even how to print right from an Excel spreadsheet for larger batch printing like address labels or inventory labels for that big organization project coming up. If you have any questions, please reach out. We would love to chat with you about Label Editor software and your labeling needs. Thanks again, and happy labeling!